Why is she cooking with the two children there? This is hot something and this is rough play. Hi. Shoo. The baby is trying to run and she's dragging them and jacking them. She's cooking eggs, garden eggs and tomatoes and some soya sauce or something. Finish. First of all, I don't think she's cooking an African food, although the garden egg is definitely from Africa, all right? But the food, the combination, who cooks garden egg and tomato and corn fry am? Besides, we Africans we cook food with a lot of both seasonings and spice. I know the word, you know what is seasoning, you know what is spice, but Africans we use a lot of spice. Her food method is not like African. Yes, seeing her color, you will think she's an African cooking an African food. But what she's speaking is not African. She's speaking Chinese. So definitely the food she's cooking is Chinese food. This is not African food. And besides, this is 2021. In fact, 2021 ND. We use plates this time. Africa. In fact, I don't even know if you are saying in one thick bush African continent, country, whatever, you will still have plates to put food for your children. Not chook your hand inside the hot food and put it inside their mouth, burning them instead of feeding them. She is an African, maybe. What she's cooking is not African. That is 100%. Her attitude is not African. In fact, this lady self, is she African? Like, she's black, but is she black? Hey God, they're not gonna kill me.